Morning all. Late start today. It's 9 o'clock nearly. Didn't get up late. I was up normal time, 6 o'clock, just before perhaps. Just been talking to a load of people, various different people. In fact, the last few days have been very pleasant talking to people. Not so sure they was interested in me. I think it was more my bike and the tent they was interested in, but hey ho, it's fine. It was still nice to talk to them. Yeah, so we're heading to the, well, I think we're going to go to the Isle of Wight. I am umming and ahhing about it a little bit now, but yeah, I think we're going to ride through the forest and then get to Southampton, and yeah, well, if we're going to go, we'll get the ferry from there, and then we'll follow that Squirrel Trail or Red Squirrel Trail, whatever it is, across the island to Adgestone. It's a bit fresh this morning. I mean, it's a lovely bright day. I'm not sure whether it was a full moon last night. It was very bright. The moon looked fairly full. As I say, it was very bright. But yeah, I say, at the moment it's a bit fresh. Get that sun come up a bit more. Oh, it's a rock, alright. Yeah, get that sun come up and warm up. So the hands are a bit cold, but so I can feel the heat in the sun already. Right, well, I don't think I'll turn you around yet. We've got this hill, round hill I think it is, to go up, so we'll wait till we get to the top and perhaps then we'll turn you around. Perhaps we should have left earlier. It's quite busy, this road. But I suppose it is the weekend. Right. Right, well, I think we've had enough of that. Let's put you back. I think what we're going to do is, well, we're going to Southampton, that's for sure. I think we'll get to Beaulieu, and I think I was going to go this way the last time, but forgot and never did. Hopefully I'll remember this time. And we'll head back up to Lyndhurst and just go along the sort of cycle path there back to Southampton. We've done that Ealing Tide way and Marchwood ride quite a few times, I think, in the past, but yeah, I don't think we've actually ever gone up to Lyndhurst, or not in this roundabout way. As you can see, it's lovely and sunny. Oh, I mean, how fast? Yeah, lovely and sunny day. I'm not too sure about this direction of wind though. Seems to be blowing against me a bit. Right, I think now along like this road, I'll turn you around. We're just, well, not coming up, but we're fairly near to Hatchet Pond. Right. Oh, help with a bumpy road. Oh, we're at Hatchet Pond. I don't know why there's always donkeys here. There always is for some reason. Very bizarre. Look at the little donkeys. Right, I think we spent enough time looking and taking photos of these donkeys. Let's get going again. Oh, we're never going to get anywhere at this rate. I'm not too sure whether there's something going on at Beaulieu. There probably is. It probably is most weekends at the Motor Museum. I mean, there's quite a few old cars been going past. Saying that, there's not one to be seen now. Oh, we've actually remembered to cycle past the turning now. Oh, there you go. See, there's an old MG. Smell it as well. Wow. I've not looked at the forecast today. Those clouds look a bit high. A bit. Well, maybe they don't. Maybe it's me just imagining things. And another MG. I think it might be an MG, mate. We've got a herd of pigs in the road. How funny. Ah, swine. You old Mr. Memory here. We have come the normal way in the end. So yeah, this is Marchwood, I think. Well, there's a ferry in now, so if we're lucky, we can get on it. That's the wrong way, the wrong one. Right, turning off on that red Squirrel Trail. Mind you, I'm not so sure about the direction of wind. Oh, I mean, well, early, it's 20 past 1. So yeah, 2 hours I would have thought. So I think we'll be at camp by 3:30. Be okay. I need to dry the tent out from last night anyway. Evening all. I forgot to talk earlier. Well, we made it to Adgestone. 46 miles today, so, and I think some of those were from yesterday, so I don't know, but yeah, it's fine on that. Oh yeah, so well, yeah, last night out on this trip, and well, we go home tomorrow. Hopefully we'll go out again in the next few days, but anyway, won't worry about that. I shall speak to you tomorrow anyway, on the way home and that. Right, I shall speak to you all in the morning. Goodbye.